Hello guys, this is the assignment that you'll be doing on the Excel regards to the trig sine function. Um, it says find the equation of a sinusoidal function that has a period of pi and amplitude of 1, and it has to contain these 2 points. Okay, obviously it's in radian, and they even tell you in a form that this is going to be sine. Okay, so let's do the easy ones first. Okay, first we know that it has a period of 2. So period, last lesson we learned that the period is 2 pi over is equal to absolute value of b, right? Absolute value of b. And let's see right here, we're gonna go up a little bit right here, up a little bit right there. Okay, and then you know that that has to not equal pi. So b has to be what? Well, if I cross multiply, pi has canceled out, so b has to be 2. So b value right here is going to be 2. And you know the amp is 1, so it's going to be 1 sine of 2x. Okay, 2, because remember the b value, 2 pi over 2 is going to be pi. Okay, and the pi is our period. Remember the period here is not 2 pi, but it's pi. Now, you might, if you stop there, then you know it's incomplete because we have to check these points. Remember that this is the x value right here, and this one is going to be the y value right there. So we don't care about the 1, right? But we do care about the fact that we need to put it into this format. So y, see right here, the f of x is y, so 5 is going to equal sine of the x value, okay, which is 2 times 3 pi over 4. Okay, 4 is the x value, 3 pi over 4 is the x value, and there was 2 here, so I just substituted. Let's see if I could get a little highlighter right here to show you what we're doing over here. So this is the x value right there. Okay, that's the x value. And we have the y value. Actually, it's -5. See, it's a good thing that we highlighted. This is -5, guys. Okay. -5 right there. So it's going to be -5 is equal to sine. And when I multiply this out, remember, these two cancel out. So we get 3 pi over 2. Now go back to your unit circle. If you go back to your unit circle, right? I'm going to move down a little bit. I need more space. Got unit circle right here. You have a unit circle right there. And you have 0, pi over 2, pi, and 3 pi over 2 right there. So right there is going to be 0, comma, -1. Sine of 3 pi over 2 is going to be -2. -1, -1, that one, right? So we have -5 is equal to -1. Now there's an equation right there. If you go up more, there's a plus d, right? Plus d, we have plus d right here. So we solve for d. So d is going to be -4, okay? So my final answer, and I need a little drum roll here. My final answer is going to be sine of 2x. Now it's good to put a parentheses just to be clear. And then it's going to be -4 right there. So that's going to be our final answer, okay? So I hope that helps. Now, don't just stop. Again, the lesson here is don't just stop right over here. You have to go a little further and you have to plug in the points, because remember this equation includes this x value and this y value. So you have to plug it in, and then you can find the d value. Okay, the d value, that's actually the shifting or up and down. Okay, so I hope this video helps. Okay, it's a review of amp, period, and also the unit circle. Okay, so And I'll see you on the next video.